Welcome to WebStyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted posts, videos and photos on Facebook. To do that on mobile, open Facebook app. Let me post something. Post, and here is that post. So now let's delete it. Move to trash. Move. Okay. Now navigate to your profile, tab settings, scroll down, select activity log, press trash icon. This place holds deleted items. Select item from here and restore. Restore to profile. Let's go back to profile. And as you can see, the post has been restored. On desktop, go to facebook.com, click profile icon, click settings and privacy, select activity log. From the left, click trash icon. And here are the deleted posts that can be restored to the profile. Click three dots, restore to profile. So this is how you can recover deleted posts on Facebook. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.